Well, it's always nice to have the guys on from our wonderful American Legion right here in the Post 257, and Dennis Powell is here today, and Joe Rainey. Great to see you both, gentlemen.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you, Ken. It's always good to be here.
Yeah, welcome back, and as usual, you got a lot going on, and one of the things you always like to mention to folks is the monthly dinner that's coming up. Everybody's invited, right?
That's right.
All
we
right.
have a monthly dinner meeting the fourth Thursday of every month at 5 p.m. at Clubhouse 1 in the main dining room. All Laguna Woods Village residents are welcome. We are looking to add to our membership, so we're encouraging any and all veterans who haven't checked us out, please come to the dinner or check us out online. And I'll be mentioning those locations online. There's two. There's our local post, and there's also the national website.
Yeah.
What I'd like to address first is the menu at our meeting this month in February. Will be on Thursday, the 27th of February at 5 p.m. Clubhouse 1 main dining room, our regular venue. The meetings are the fourth Thursday of every month, as I mentioned. The menu will be fruit salad, garden salad with ranch or Italian dressing, beef stroganoff with egg noodles, chicken Dijon, steamed vegetables, rolls and butter, decaf coffee and water. Wine and beer are also available. Dessert will be apple pie. The cost is $15 per person at the door. All Laguna Woods Village residents are welcome to attend, and we encourage you to. So for reservations, call Jackie Yenser at 949-228-2744, no later than February 25th.
And again, it is on Thursday, the 27th, correct?
That is correct.
Yes. All right.
Thursday, and every meeting we have either entertainment or a guest speaker. So, and we'll have a guest speaker at this meeting as well.
Yeah, and your guest speaker will be Diane Phelps, and I think a lot of you folks who've watched the board meetings know Diane. She is, well, what she is now is on the VMS board. However, she is also involved with the new foundation here, it's not the Golden Rain Foundation. It is one that benefits the community. It's different than the foundation of Laguna Woods Village. She has talked about it before, and I'm sure when she comes to your meeting, she'll talk about that. And it's a way for people to, well, to put it in a very simplistic term, suppose somebody wants to donate something that, that helps the different facilities around here, maybe put their name up or whatever it might be. They're still kind of working all that through, but that's what she's involved with.
Good.
Yeah. So she's a wonderful person. Yeah.
Great. We'll look forward to that.
Could I mention about that we are non-political?
That's what I'm getting into next.
Okay, go for it.
Absolutely. An important point. The American Legion is a non-political organization. The Legion avoids politics. If we were going to go to a political rally, we wouldn't wear our hats.
Okay.
It should be noted, however, that we do consider ourselves to be patriots. And we do honor traditional American values. Among those values, we uphold and defend the Constitution of our republic, maintain law and order, foster and perpetuate 100% Americanism, and we combat the autocracy of the classes and the masses. And what that means is we defend our principles and our country against enemies from without and from within. Now, should you consider joining our post, as we hope you will, members can be as active or inactive as they please in the American Legion. And before I add more to that, I wanted to ask you, Commander Joe. Joe's the commander of our post, and I'm one of the vice commanders. Did you have anything else to mention about being non-political?
Well, that's in our charter.
Right.
We were chartered by the U.S. Congress
In
as a
1919.
veterans organization, which is open to any veteran that served since Pearl Harbor Day, December 7th, 1941. So you don't have to serve during times of war. Mainly that you put yourselves out there, men and women in the military, defending our country. And a special welcome to those who served during what some people call peacetime. But in the military, you find out that you're one order away from being deployed. No matter what your job is, they can change your orders in an instant if the country gets into a conflict.
Right.
So, you know, I would like to invite anyone that served since Pearl Harbor Day to please check us out, come by, have some apple pie, and we'd love to have you part of our organization.
And you folks do a lot of different things. I know last time, Dennis, when you were on, you brought pictures about helping out. There's a school down in Camp Pendleton.
Mary Kay Pendleton
Yeah,
Elementary School.
Yeah, and many different things you folks do, right? Helping out the community.
We are a service organization, and I'm going to mention the Boys State and Girls State in closing, which are programs that we do. We send school people, they're high school, or
Yeah, they're high school
level
boys and girls.
to Sacramento to learn about the workings of our government. They don't
Yeah.
teach it anymore in the school, so it's been a very successful program. We've been
Very
doing it
good.
for years. I'm not personally involved with it. Next time I'd like to bring one of our colleagues who's more involved to talk about it, and he can bring
That'd
some
be
video.
great. Yeah.
I've been on the interviews for Boys State, and these students really are amazing. They're all straight A students. They're all involved in their schools and the community. And it's just really fun to just even meet these kids. But the hard
Yeah.
part, we have to select only two or three every
Okay.
year. And one other thing we do is our posts, the main charity of our posts when we were started in Laguna Woods back in '67, I believe, was to visit the veterans in the hospitals.
Yes, yeah, of
We've
course.
been doing that every year since 1967. And we go up and we visit with the sick veterans and play bingo, and they really enjoy us
And
coming
that's
up.
wonderful. You know, I
Yes.
want to mention the website. There's two. The local one is al257.org, very easy. And then the national one is legion.org. And you can go on there and find out all kinds of information. Really encourage you folks to, you know, become a member because they do such good work. But not only that, there are just a friendship that
Yes.
really involves everyone that gets in with the American Legion. It is fantastic. It's only $45 a year.
Correct.
And what you get for that is just remarkable. And of course, you do the dinners every month. You do all kinds of different things. Gentlemen, we're just about out of time.
Okay.
So we'll see you next time in about a month. We'll find out more. I do want to tell you folks, you know, again, the weather's going to be pretty nice today.